What's going on, guys? Big Time 110 here. Today I want to talk to you guys about the Wyze Thermostat. Now, Wyze is a brand that I already own a couple of cameras, and they're pretty inexpensive and they're really great. They're really good. I would recommend you guys check them out. They have lots of other things they sell, like vacuums, front door cameras, headphones, a lot of things, and this is one of them. So when I heard about their thermostat, I was intrigued. I was really intrigued because I know that they really put a lot of thought into their products. They're really inexpensive. So I received it a couple of days ago, and I wanted to see how easy it is installed, and I want to share my experience with you guys and see if I could recommend this to you guys. So without further ado, guys, I will show you guys the unboxing, and then we'll get to the rest of the stuff. Okay? All right, I'll see you then. All right, so let's start with the unboxing knife. Let's start in getting this thing out of the box. And if we take a look at the side of the box, it tells you that you can control it with the respected apps from iOS or Android. So if we open up the box here, we can see that we have the manual. So you can see I get a little sticker because I pre-ordered the thing. All right, cool. I set that to the side real quick. We have the instructions here. So make sure you follow those instructions, but to make it easier, guys, just go through the app and go through the instructions there. It's much easier. As you see right there, we have the wall mount plate, and we also get the label for the wire, which is really important. And here we have the device itself. It has the little prongs for the back that connect into the other plate. And let's go ahead and take off all this plastic here, and let's get it ready. All right, now that we have all this stuff here, let's go ahead and get ready to install. But before we do that, let me just let you guys know that you're gonna need this adapter here for your furnace. So don't forget that. Make sure you have this ready to go too. It's pretty simple. See, all you gotta do is connect those wires from your furnace to those wires and that end and that other end, and that's it. We'll go through it in a little bit. Okay, let's put all that to the side. And here it is, guys. So I've taken my thermostat off the wall already, and I'm just gonna unscrew it, and I'm gonna start putting the label of every wire. That way we know what is what wire. Okay, go ahead and do that real quick. Let's label those wires. Speed this up for you guys a little bit. We're gonna label that wire too, and we're gonna continue until every wire has a label. Now we're gonna go ahead and take off this faceplate because we don't really need it anymore. This is from our old thermometer, which was a dumb one too. So let's go ahead and remove that. As you can see, it seems like they had already removed it before, but it's okay. We have a new faceplate. We're gonna just mark down where we're gonna drill some holes. Drill them holes right there. And once you have them ready to go, all we gotta do is go ahead and put the new faceplate in there. Make sure you put those cables in connections there nice and tight to make sure that you see that thing going up. That's how you know that they're really connected and making contact. It's a little tight, but it's not difficult. So now these are the furnace cables. Now here what you're gonna do is you're gonna unplug these cables and put them in there, and then that end cables you're gonna put them back where the original furnace cables were. And now after you do that, you're gonna go back into your house. You're gonna see that there's gonna be an update for your thermometer. You're gonna go ahead and do that, and once you finish with that, guys, you should be golden. You should do a test, and it should tell you whether it's working or not. It's gonna throw some heat, and that's it. Now, guys, this was been a quick unboxing and a quick install video. And would I recommend you guys to install the thermostat? Absolutely, guys. I had so much fun installing it, and so far it's working great, and I love this thing. So Thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.